Lang.
Kain tayo guys sa punan. Pansit. Lumpia Shanghai.
Bala tayo.
Magandang gabi. Kain tayo guys. Ulam natin is pansit canton tsaka lumpia Shanghai. At may tira pa kaming Spanish. Kaya ubusin ng aming Spanish. Ayan. Lapit mong platong mo.
I don't know what to do. You have to help, please. Where did they take my sister?
Saya, calm down. What is it?
She disappeared.
Have you seen Nadine?
I lied to you.
Ayan.
She was hiding here.
Let's
We were
eat.
going to run away together.
Thank you Lord sa blessings.
It was those police officers, right?
So, sino?
The ones who arrested me.
It's okay. Now you may have simply run away.
She wouldn't do
Style
that.
medyo dry.
Our great grandmother.
Yung noodles kasi niyan, ibang klase. Kailangan mo na mag-ano ng maraming tubig. Hindi siya basta-basta nalalatak. Kahit marami na yung tubig, hindi pa rin siya, ano, hindi pa rin latak yung noodle.
I'll kill them all.
Come on, Saya, calm down.
Parang 1/2 cup rice ito.
Oh. Pero carbs yung pansit.
Hey, Mac. Mac, look at this.
Hang on.
No, I'm telling you, you have to watch this.
I actually asked her to come on the show with me, and I think maybe it was too soon.
Lahat mo lang yung manok.
This bitch, that's me now. Personally, used to be Gentry's assistant. Now she's Paul's lawyer.
Beneficial to her? Yes. Anyway, did you watch the last episode?
Yes.
So you've seen how they insisted that the doctor didn't do it, and that he's a great person.
Anong episode na yun?
Witnesses filled our studio, and he said the 50,000 baht he gave her was out of sympathy.
Of course.
Ayan yung dating ano, kasama niya sa ano. Yung
Sa film?
kaya,
I see
oo,
the lawyer.
yung
And
bullshit.
the funny games she will play.
You mean Attorney Jeffrey?
Nilaglag niya dati yung
Hindi, nagalit siya.
kay.
What does that sort of
Kasi
mean?
nga,
Does it mean you didn't
marumi
believe
mag ano
anything he
sa
said?
G3.
Ano?
Marumi mag ano ba?
See, now I wonder.
Yung part 1 siya lumabas, no? Maganda guys, yung bagong movie sa Netflix. Evil Lawyer. Nori niya. Sana yan yung ano. Yan na lang yung lawyer niya, no? Inday Sara.
Just this once. But if that was a win-win.
Oh shit. Cotton, yeah, corn. That guy's busted. Yeah. And gayer. Yeah. Hey,
Shut
head
up,
for
Rap.
Please excuse me, but aren't you concerned
Yeah,
that
guys.
the other side will claim that this clip was staged to blackmail the doctor? If she only wanted to blackmail him, all the money would be spent. This is evidence Dr. Moore transferred 50,000
Meron ba yung sa ibang
client?
grocery?
Here's the transfer
Yung noodles. Sarap
A
na?
slip
Yung
from
noodles mo?
Dr. Moore and
When he transferred,
So,
right
wala.
away, even sent
Wala
a
ko
slip.
nakita ng
Naturally, when my client received the money, she reported it right away.
I see. Okay then. Do you have anything to say to Dr. Korn's team?
Yung juice. Ah, man.
We'll see you in court.
Yung lamig ko ito.
Now she's had an upgrade. She's fat. She sleeps. The whole shebang. We're now the now. We're not now the now when you were with us. And all I can do is think about her. Now you cow. Throw all these out, Nemo. Now,
Hey.
what?
The wording in this clip's really weird.
What?
They're saying unlawful sexual assault. The expression sounds rehearsed to me.
Well, maybe she knows about the law. People know shit now.
She very well might. But do you know anyone who speaks like that? Also, the way she says it, it's not natural. It's It's like she's fooling the doctor to have him indicted.
Guys, hanggang dito na lang tayo.
What if Attorney Manal is the mastermind who got her to trick
Excuse me.
Cor?
Hanggang dito na lang.
If the
Ingat kayo
court
sa
finds
mga
out,
lakad nyo dyan.
this evidence is
God
worth
bless.
nothing.
Thank you sa panonood.
Shit.